Hey you guys, thanks for joining me for another crochet tutorial. I'm super excited to bring you guys this crochet tutorial. This one is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for sending over this hair. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So as you can see, I will be using the Outre Expression Twisted Up hair. It's their pre-stretched and pre-fluffed hair in Springy Afro Twist in 24 inches, and this is the 3 times in color number 4. And this one matches my hair pretty good. My hair was dyed, but the color is starting to like grow out a little bit, so this matches my hair pretty good. I was really happy. So you can see my braid pattern. I have braids going straight back in the front, braids going straight back in the back, and then 2 braids going across the back of the nape of my neck. And then I have 2 braids going across the front of my hairline for my leave out. So I started by taking one of the pieces that's already pre-separated in the pack and go ahead and crocheting it at the nape of my neck. I only did 2 pieces at the nape of my neck, and then I used like that bricklaying pattern where wherever there wasn't hair, that's where I placed hair. So I was very particular about where I placed the hair in the back because I did not want this hair getting too bushy. So I made sure wherever I didn't place hair, I went up the next layer and placed hair in that space. So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have questions, just leave it in the comments down below. So this is kind of what it's looking like in the back. So this is one full pack completed, and it really did the whole back of my hair. And now I'm going to start separating the pieces. So on the sides of my install, I only separated the pieces 1 time. At the top where you see the smaller braids that are crisscrossing, I separated the pieces 3 times. So here I realized I had way too many braids, so I decided to skip a braid. So if you can see, I'm actually crocheting and I skipped the braid underneath that braid. So yeah, I would definitely caution you not to put hair on every single braid if you have a smaller braid pattern. I ended up using 4.5 bundles of the hair. So you do have to buy 2 full packs, but I didn't use 2 full packs. I only used 4.5 bundles. So here's where I started getting super excited, you guys. The hairstyle is pretty much almost done and it looks so natural. But I'm also showing you guys that I literally didn't put hair every single place on this install because you don't have to. This hair is really full, really voluminous, and the longer you wear it, the more fluffy and natural it's going to look. So don't overdo it with the hair. Also, I want to point out that there's not really a huge need for the illusion method here. You literally can just massage the knots that you created, and the longer you wear the hair, the more voluminous it's going to be, and the knots will disguise themselves. And this is what the hair is looking like as soon as I finish installing it. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how I cut the hair. I'm going to show you at the end a bunch of different ways you can style the hair while you're wearing it. I'm also going to show you how to slay those baby hairs. So stay tuned. Hey you guys, so I am back. I am just finishing with my makeup, so now I'm gonna take the hair down, take out my braids, and start cutting the hair, styling the hair, and then I'll go ahead and do my baby hairs. I will show you guys the style before I do my baby hairs because I know that a lot of people want to see what it looks like without baby hairs, and then a lot of people also want to see what it looks like with baby hairs. I am a baby hair kind of girl, so I'm never gonna go without the baby. I won't say never, sometimes I do depending on my mood, but it's rare. It's definitely rare. So first things first, the haircut. I plan to give you guys a hair cutting only tutorial because I think, or not a hair cutting only, but a very hair cutting focused tutorial. I think people have a lot of questions about the way that I cut my crochet for it to look so natural, because I truly do believe that the haircut is the make or break moment with a crochet. You can install a crochet kind of janky. You can fluff out a crochet kind of janky. You can have like low-key janky braids. Like, there can be a lot of things jank about a crochet install, and you can save it all. You can cover all things in crochet world, in crochetdom, by a good haircut. Okay, so I believe in cutting your crochet to perfection, and I will show you guys in a tutorial how I do that specifically. So this hair is really bomb straight out the pack, unfluffed and unbothered. It's really not a lot you need to do to get this hair looking good in terms of the cut. So I have cut this side. I think it looks really amazing. Now I'm going to show you guys this hair in two different ways, but first I'm going to cut this side, take pictures, a little bit of video, a few stills to show you guys how it looks with the hair not being separated. I think it looks really beautiful with the hair not separated, but I know some people want to see what the hair looks like separated. So I'm going to show you guys both. Alright you guys, so this is what we are working with after the haircut. Like I said, the haircut was like very low-key. There wasn't much to be done. I'm not 100% sure how it looks in the back because I obviously fluffed the hair out a little bit from the install in the front, so the front is a little more fluffed out than the back. The back may need to be fluffed out a little bit. I was gonna fluff out this hair for this video, but you guys have to forgive me. I actually really like how it looks with the hair, you know, still with its curly pieces at the end. I just think it looks really pretty, and I'm sorry, I don't want to fluff it out. Sorry. Maybe I'll do another install where it's fluffed out because I do have a lot more hair. You guys, a little bit goes a long way with this hair. You don't need a whole lot, and the hair is just absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to make a crochet wig out of this hair because I would love to be able to just pop it on and off, and really having a part is like so unnecessary. It's really not necessary with this type of hair. I could literally just bring all this hair to the front and just not have a part. Like, actually, I low-key like it like that, like no part, for real. That's actually a whole vibe. That's actually a whole look right now. So yeah, I think this would be super cute as just a crochet wig. Yeah, it's popping. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. I know this hair is super versatile. You can do all sorts of styles with this hair, but I just wanted to do a good old-fashioned crochet install for you guys. I really appreciate all the love you guys have been showing on my crochet videos. It is just a blessing. I appreciate you guys to no end. Like, words cannot say enough how much I appreciate you guys sharing my videos, subscribing to my channel, and just showing me so much love. I hope that I'm doing the same for you guys. I'm giving you some ideas and some new techniques to make your life easier and to allow you to be able to do your hair for the low at home. If there's anything else that you guys want to see me do, please leave it in the comments down below. Share with me any hair you'd like to see, any techniques you'd like to see, and yeah, let's just keep growing and glowing and doing this thing together here on the channel. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace. Oh my gosh, you guys, did I forget to do my baby hairs? Hold on, stop the press. Let me get to these baby hairs real quick.